how to email VaxCert or VaxCert PH, or also known as vaccination support. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I will show you how you can go ahead and email vaccination support center. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now keep in mind that this is just to email VaxCert, not to actually apply for vaccination. If you're trying to apply for your vaccination process, we have a different process for that. I'll also make sure to leave a link in the description box. In order to apply for the vaccination process, you have to actually go to their official website, for which I'll also leave the link in the description box. But if you are trying to contact them for any of the queries, first of all, they also have the phone number, which is 02, the code of their country, and then 88761488. So it's 02-8876-1488. Again, that's the phone number if you want to contact them, which is of the support of VaxCert support. And after that, if you want their email address, first of all, just go ahead and then open up your mailbox. Once you open up your mailbox, just tap on the compose button, and what you have to do is in the to section, their email is basically VaxCert support at doh.gov.ph. So it's VaxCert support at doh.gov.ph. So you want to make sure to enter this correct email address. I'll also make sure to leave this email address in the description box. Now in the subject box, you have to simply go ahead and enter the subject based on what your request or query is. For example, if you're trying to get the vaccination support, you can simply go ahead and then send it to them in that way by reading the subject line. And in the address field, you have to go ahead and simply enter anything relating to your support. And once you're done, just tap on the send button. But as I said, this is just to email them, and this is the official email, not a third-party email. That's all it takes to email VaxCert PH support. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.